Hey guys, I'm in a whole different setting. I am actually in Toronto right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. Today I'm going to some disco party, and I feel like some groovy makeup, some over-the-top makeup would be perfect for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with clipping my hair out of the way. I already moisturize these big juicy lips because it's cold out here in Toronto, and the first thing to get dry is my lips. All right, so for the eyes, what am I feeling? So I think I might do some bright colors. Who knows? First, let me start out with my eyebrows. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. So today I tried to get on Toronto's fucking public transportation. I went on the subway. That was a whole struggle within itself because the machine was not working. It was not giving me my ticket. I had no idea which train I was going to take. I asked a couple of locals and I was like, hey, I'm trying to get to this one certain area. How do I do that using the subway? And then let me tell you, I tried to get on a bus. Now, mind you, I have not been on a bus since... Shit, when's the last time I was on a public transportation bus? Literally years ago. And that was the first and only time I was on a bus. I'm already not familiar with my with my city's fucking public transportation routes, let alone a different countries. I am using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige to do the under part of my eyebrows. Whenever I do a dramatic color, I always like to highlight underneath my eyebrow with a very color. And I took my Maybelline Fit Me. I think it's 355 or 55 hazelnut or coconut concealer. Swear by this. That's why it is empty and raggedy, because I swear by it. I use it consistently with my makeup routine for dramatic and everyday, which reminds me I need to stock up. I actually originally came up to Toronto to meet a guy that I met via Instagram. Real person, by the way. FaceTimed and everything. He was fucking handsome as fuck. And we fell off. We stopped talking, and by that time I was like, oh, I already booked everything, so fuck it. We're gonna just have a trip to Toronto. I did meet a few people, and I did do a lot of cool things. I went to the Post Malone concert yesterday at the Scotia Bank. I think I'm saying it right. Scotia Bank Arena. And it was lit. I was high as fuck. I've been enjoying my little single trip by myself. It's been an interesting few days. I've been enjoying it, no complaints really. I'm just ready to go back home. And I go back home tomorrow. So I'm ready to go back home. Let me tell you, I cannot wait for this flight back to Virginia. Let me tell you, I am so done with it. I'm so done with it. I'm just ready to go back home. Enjoy good Southern hospitality and Southern manners. And enjoy a nice plate of some soul food. That shit will be fucking bomb. I keep cussing on here. I'm gonna have to bleep myself out. Oh god. Oh, another update. I got a ring light, and it's I don't know if it's doing anything. It's bright as fuck. I can't look directly at it because it's gonna hurt my eyes. But still, I think it's helping with the video quality, the aesthetic, just a little bit. Alright, so now that we went ahead and fixed our brows and also did a little bit of concealing under the eyes and dark marks and stuff around the face with the Maybelline Fit Me, I'm gonna take my beat up beauty blender sponge. This is not a real beauty blender. This is the knockoff version. This is the Real Techniques sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it real quick. now that I'm back with a wet beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead and start blending out this little unibrow spot that we got right here on my T-zone. We're gonna start blending that a little bit. I'm gonna just get rid of the harsh lines where my nose and my eyebrows start to meet. Trying to make this as seamless as possible. You know, we're trying to slay to the gods, not to. So we're gonna go ahead and take this LA Girl Pro Conceal Pure Beige Concealer, and we're gonna put that on top of our eyelids a little bit, like so. Yes, what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna start working on these colors now. This is where it gets exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time. Don't worry, if you mess up, make sure you have makeup wipes beside you, because let me tell you, I be messing up all the time on my eyes, or I'm indecisive, and I'm like, wait a minute, this color don't look right. What about this color? Makeup wipes are my best friends whenever I'm doing my eyeshadow, because it's just like, that's the one part of my face where like I can never make up my mind. Opening up my James Charles palette, I am wearing yellow today. I want to wear yellow so bad. Like, I want to put yellow on my eyes so bad, but I don't. I don't. Like, I have a feeling it's going to come out very harsh. And I don't want to do that. So I'm thinking, that I will take this burnt brown, like this auburn kind of color, and I'm going to use this as just my base. It's really like a really dark brown. And I'm starting out with something very neutral. And then we're going to start making it crazy. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Alright, so I'm blending this up to my brow bone. I'm really liking the dark purplish brown, dark auburn brown that I'm getting right now. But I need to go a little darker. So what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to take this deep brown right here, right above the black. And I'm going to put this, that was my Fenty Beauty cap that just fell off, so it's okay. I will get that later. So we're going to take this dark brown, put this on the tip of our brush. And I'm thinking I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to work it into the crease. I feel like right now we're going to go dark. I'm going to take that first color, I'm going to put it back on the original brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and go over the crease color just to blend it out a little bit more. It's a little harsh of a brown, and it's really hard to blend, and so we're going to do a whole little cut crease, and I'm going to go ahead and put this true beige right here. Take my NYX eyeliner, and this is the That's the Point jumbo one. I think it's super edgy. Alright, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a dramatic wing. Only seems appropriate for this kind of makeup look. Hey guys, now we're done with both of our eyes. All I gotta do is add a highlight to this one, but still done with both of our eyes. Again, it's not as dramatic as I thought it was going to be, because I thought that this yellow was going to be a little bit more brighter on my skin. But you know what? Rocking with the punches is okay. Taking a little bit of this highlight, again by Fenty Beauty, Hustle Baby, and put it on my brow bone. So I'm going to take my beauty blender, my knockoff beauty blender, and I already concealed my dark marks and my problem areas that I think are problem areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty foundation, the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And this is in the color 420. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and squeeze that on there, squeeze that bad boy on there. And we're gonna blend to our necks. I'm wearing like a turtleneck kind of shirt today, so blending to my neck really doesn't matter. But let me tell you, blend to your neck. You do not want to walk out the house looking like you got a mask on. I have done it way too many times. Way too many times. Ooh, 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 make it look good. Like, have you ever like looked at yourself in the mirror and be like, damn, I look tasty? That's how I'm feeling right now. I look tasty. going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Loose Powder in the color Hazelnut. And I am going to bake. I have oily skin, and I do not play when it comes to my face. Like, when it comes to a fresh beat, I am not playing. This makeup is going to have to last me well over an hour. You get what I'm getting at? So, I am baking underneath my eyes. I'm also going to put some in my T-zone because I do get very oily in that one spot, in this one area. And I'm also going to put some powder around my mouth because I have smile lines. So, we're going to hit all the targets today. Okay? The Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. They give you a contour, a sculpt, and a highlight. You get 3 in 1 for $7 to $8. What? Sometimes you gotta be frugal. Like, sometimes I'll be like, girl, do I really want to get this Fenty Beauty foundation? No, we're gonna just go with Maybelline for this week. Like, it's sometimes like that, to be honest. So I'm gonna go ahead, now that I got this little contour going, I'm gonna go ahead and sculpt it out. Because we're gonna be extra, remember? So. We still got the lips and still got the cheeks to finish. Like, I know you're probably tired of hearing me talk. I'm tired of hearing myself talk, and I'm tired of talking too. But it's okay. We're gonna get this together. I feel like I should do subtle lips. So I'm gonna take this sample NARS lipstick that I got for my birthday, and it is called, I think it's called Rouge à Lèvres. Don't quote me on it. And it's a matte color. So we're gonna see what this looks like. Okay. Give me like a matte neutral. Ooh, I'm feeling it. Okay. And I'm also gonna take my Sephora Lip Honey Colorful Gloss Bomb. Look at that. Look at that high shine it adds to your mouth, man. Look at that high shine it adds to your mouth, man. I feel like we baked for long enough. I'm gonna take my flat brush and just lightly dust off and pat in this powder. I'm gonna go ahead and take this NYX blush, and it is the color Crimson. Sounds a little daring. I like it. A little sparkle to it. I don't mind. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right on top of my contour. I'm gonna go back in with Hustler Baby. This time we got a lot because we're gonna do our highlight for our face. And I'm gonna tap it slowly right here. And I wanna center point it right here. See that little glimmer? So I like to do a little center point, and then I like to go ahead and blend it out just a little bit. But like when I turn, the highlight hit you first. You can look at that. The highlight's gonna hit you first before I do. So we're gonna take some more of this Hustler Baby right here, like a little bit on the tip, and just put a couple dabs in my nose, like just on the tip of my nose. Again, bam, bam. That's just what it is, huh? Okay, so right now my makeup look is almost done. I really feel like I'm missing something, and it's like I know I have color already, but it's just not enough color on my face. And it's like, it's a really pretty makeup look. Don't get me wrong, this is a really pretty makeup look. I feel proud of myself. I think I'm gonna go with the green. I feel like the green really would add some pop to my eyeshadow look. So, finished product. I spray my face usually with the Peach Mist from Too Faced. However, me being me left it out. And I'm not going to the store and buying another bag. No, ma'am. So we're gonna go ahead and use our Mario Badescu skincare. And boom, it like adds also a little bit of moisture to my face because sometimes I go a little ham on the powders. Now that we're done, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye. But this is the finished look. Got a little mini skirt with some embroidery on and a bell sleeve turtleneck with my baby girl gold necklace. And, you know, gotta have Jesus on me all the time, every day, all day. And wearing my simple black booties from Pretty Little Thing. And the rest of my outfit came from Shein. Again, just want to thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate y'all. Have a wonderful day, my lovelies. Bye.